Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you back on my channel. If this is the first time clicking my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Josie and this is my beauty channel. So I'm a makeup artist and I am going to be doing my clients makeup for you today, and so let's get into this video. So meet my lovely client here. Her name is Alberta and I am going to start by priming her face. And before applying the primer, I already wiped her face and groomed her brows or prepped her skin for the makeup. And so after the primer, I am going in now with my foundation. So I'm going to link all the products I am using in this video in the description box below. So I'm using my flat foundation brush to apply the foundation and I'm going to blend afterwards. So fam, after blending the foundation, I'm going in now with my concealer and I'm going to apply that underneath the eye, on the forehead area, the chin area and the bridge of her nose, and I'm also going to blend this afterwards. So far, I'm now going in with a detailed brush to blend the areas that I need some extra blending and also where the beauty blender could not reach. And I'm also going to take some of that concealer on the eyelids just to cancel out any darkness around the eyes and also to serve as a base for my eyeshadow application. So I'm now going in with my setting powder, my loose setting powder, to set the areas I applied the concealer to highlight. And fam, though I'm using my beauty blender, I'm not blending in the powder, but rather I am applying it with light hands just so that the powder sits on the face. This is because I want to let this bake for a while, and so I'm also going in now to reverse contour. And I'm also going to take some of that powder on the eyelids to set the concealer I applied on the eyelids, and this is to help so that there will be no creasing whilst I apply the eyeshadow. So I'm now going in with my transition shade and I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm going to take that all over the crease area, and I'm going in now with a detailed brush just to concentrate or to make that shade a little bit more detailed or to intensify the shade I applied. And so I'm going to apply some concealer to cut the crease, and I let my client look up. This is so that when she looks up and the concealer applies or transfers on any part of the eyelid, it means that is where I'm going to cut the crease to. So after cutting the crease, I'm going in with this shimmery color, and I'm going to use that on the cut crease I just did. So far, I'm now going in with the color I used for my transition, and I'm going to intensify that on the outer V and also to blend around the cut crease. And so I decided to also take some of that color right on top of the shade I used, and this will also help to sort of set that shimmery color I applied. And I'm going in now with my eyeliner, and I'm going to apply some mascara and also fix some falsies. It's now time for the brows, and I'm going in with a spoolie brush to brush the brow hairs before I go in with my dark brown pencil to first of all outline the shape of the brow before I go in to sort of fill in the brows with light hands. And I'm going to use my concealer, a lighter shade of concealer, just to highlight the brows and also to make them pop. So I'm going to finish with the face now, and I'm using a clean brush to blend the powder I applied on the face, and I'm also going to sort of detail set the areas that the brush cannot reach, i.e. underneath the eye area as well as around the nose. And afterwards I'm going to contour the face and the nose area as well. So I'm now going in with some blush, and as you can see, my client is already getting excited because she really loves how this look is turning out, and so do I. So I decided to use a more detailed brush to apply that contour shade right underneath where I applied the blush, and I'm doing this just to intensify the contour look. And I'm now going in with some lip balm to moisturize the lips. So fam, I am going in to finish the eyes now, and I'm going to work on the under eye area, and I'm going to apply some black gel liner on the waterline, as well as apply some mascara on the lower lashes. So fam, I decided to go in with this bright shimmery pink color on the lower lash line area to give the eyes a pop of color, and I'm going to apply that all over the under eye area, but then I'm going to intensify the look right at the beginning of the lower lash line area. And now I'm going in with some highlighter, and I'm going to work on the nose first, and then I'll take some of that highlighter on the cheekbone area. So far, I decided to top that highlighter with a more reddish looking highlighter, and I love how this look is turning out, and I love the outcome of this addition to the highlight I just applied. It's now time to work on the lips, and I'm now going in with my dark brown pencil, the same pencil I used for the brows. And I'm going to first of all outline the lips before I go in with my other lip pencil. And these are the only colors I'm going to be using for the lips, and I'm going to top up the lips with some gloss, and that will be it for the lips. So fam, if you have come this far in this video and you enjoy my videos, please go ahead and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. So after taking the cape off my client, I am now going in to apply some powder on the neck area just to tie the whole look together, and that will be it for this look fam. And I really love how this look turned out, and as you can see, my client is so excited, and so was I. And that's the end of this whole face beat fam. And so this is the beautiful before of my client, and this is the beautiful after. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for leaving me lovely comments. They really help to pump me to bring you more content. So please go ahead and subscribe and share my videos. And that's it for this video fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye fam.